Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an OnlyFans account specifically for feed content. You don't need to show your face or do something explicit, as feed content is one of the most popular niches on OnlyFans. So let's get started. First, make sure to open the OnlyFans app. Within it, tap on the sign up for OnlyFans option given just beside the forget passport, and you will be redirected to the create account page. Within it, you can create using your email, Google or Twitter, and please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction in order to create the account. After logging in, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right and select become a creator. OnlyFans will guide you through the creator setup process. Now make sure to customize your profile, where you can choose a username related to your feed content, like something soft and catchy, as well as add a bio that clearly says that what you offer. Please make sure to keep it simple and honest. In order to start earning, OnlyFans also required ID verification, so please make sure to upload a valid ID and a selfie when prompt. This step is mandatory and keeps the platform safe. You can also connect your bank account so you can receive payments from subscriber. After successfully becoming a creator, you can now start posting feed photos or short videos, and always make sure that your content is well lived, clear and be taken from different angles, so that you can also set a subscription price or sell content through these messages. And that's it, your OnlyFans feed account is now ready. So please be consistent, engage with your subscriber, as well as follow the OnlyFans rules. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.